International Somali Awards is an event aimed to recognize, appreciate and celebrate the achievement of Somali people across the world. It's a platform to promote role models. It's a platform to share those success stories and those inspirational individuals, and at the same time recognize and appreciate their hard work.
These awards mean a hell of a lot to Somalis worldwide because it is a recognition that they are contributing to society. It's a recognition that they're working hard.
I think events like these tonight mean so much to Somalis in this country and across the world because there hasn't been really anything like this. There's a lot of negative press surrounding Somalis at the moment, and there has been in the past, and I feel like it's rare that there's platforms like this for them.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the International Somali Awards. None of the winners of tonight's awards had it easy. They've struggled and they've really worked hard to get to where they are, and that's inspiring in itself. I feel like right now, I have never been more proud to be Somali.
The Somali people were very tenacious. We don't give up. I think that's the best thing about it, that we're very we just crack on. And we have a good sense of humour as well.
Work hard, be part of the society that you live in, and be a proud young person, and have that belief that you can achieve anything you want in life. I would like to say a big thank you to each and every one of the individuals who took part of this event, as well as all the sponsors who are here tonight. So thank you all.